All right, everybody, here's your core bytes number 95. So the first one says continue the sequence. So you're skip counting. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So your next number would be 30. For number 2, you're going to multiply 50 times 400. And I'm going to give y'all a clue, a quick way to do this. So because they both have zeros, you multiply the 5 times the 4. So you would get 20. And then you add 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So your answer would be 20,000. So that's a quick way to do that without having to do the whole 3-digit times 2-digit. For the next one, multiply and simplify your answer. So you would just put a 1 under the 9. Cross multiply. So 9 times 2 is 18. 1 times 3 is 3. So then you would just divide that. So 18 divided by 3 would give you 6 because 6 times 3 gives you 18. And then for measurement, for this you just kind of have to know it. So how many meters equal 5 kilometers? So basically 1,000 meters gives you 1 kilometer. So if you have 5 kilometers, you would have to have 5,000 meters. So for those, you just have to know the measurements. And then for the last one, what shape is drawn? So you need to count your sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So think of the ocean with an octopus, right? How many tentacles would it have? It would have 8. So this is an octagon. It has 8 sides. All right, guys, check yours. Let us know if you have questions.